Setting up your 12-litre Mud Daddy couldn't be simpler. Let's get started. First, unpack all parts from the box and take a moment to familiarise yourself with the instructions. Now let's get the handle ready. Remove the protective packaging and slide a securing nut onto each side. Slot both sides of the handle into the holders on the unit and tighten the nuts by hand. Next, give the pump a few pumps to ensure it's working smoothly. Then screw it securely into the top of the Mud Daddy unit. Give the unit a few pumps to check the pressure. Then pull the orange safety valve to release any trapped air. Time to prepare the hose and handle. Unravel them and take a moment to understand how the trigger works and locks into place. Finally, fill the unit with cold or warm water, and your 12-litre Mud Daddy is ready to tackle any cleaning task where you don't have access to fresh water.